are multiple opportunities going on right now. So whichever they feel you're suitable for, they'll just have those teams call you and schedule you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine.
So this is the first step of. I hope this is the first job, right, with the group.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So what I'll do, I'll just ask the basic questions on SQL, PLSQL, and English. Not comfortable answering any question, you can just move ahead. Yeah? Okay. So just to start with, right, I have a SQL, hypothetical situation where you have a SQL which was running fine till yesterday.
Okay.
Today you see a lag in the performance in terms of execution. So what will be your steps to identify the bottlenecks and to get it fixed?
First, I analyze the query which is running for the long time. So by using the execution plan, I understand what is the area of lagging there. Because the code which you have written that might not be that effective, so I analyze and then I fine tune the query.
Yes.
So there are few basic steps that we need to take care, while writing the SQL code. Few things like instead of using star, we should use the column names. Instead of going for union, we should go for union all. Instead of using case, we should use decade. So likewise, there are so many things. Instead of using wildcat character at the end of the like operator, we should use them at the beginning of the like operator. So there are few things that I check first, and also I check the weight loss conditions and filter conditions, how it is acting, and if there is anything unnecessarily pointing to whole data, I try to avoid them, and then I just fine tune the query based on those techniques.
Okay. Coming to a scenario, right? You have a table, okay, with just two columns, employee ID and gender, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah. So there is no order in this. Employee IDs can be any order, like 400, 1, 2, 300, 200, like that. No particular order in the employee IDs.
Okay.
Yeah, even the gender also there is no particular M for male, F for female. They are first in terms of inserts, right? This will just go in like 5 males, then 2 females, then again 2 females. There is no order there as well.
Yeah.
My requirement is I have to write a select query where I have to get the gender in alternative order, like first is M, next is F, first is M, next is F, like that. What is male is female, male female, male record, female record, male record, female record. Like this I have to get.
Okay.
So how do you do that? Employee ID is not my concern, like any order this can change, this can keep changing. But my only concern is with the gender column. This should be alternative in my display.
Okay.
What would be your select query in this case? Take your time.
Yeah, I'm just thinking about it.
Yeah.
Even if I write to two different queries and select star from table where gender is equal to F, union where gender is equal to, even if I give like that, it will, I'm not sure whether the order will come properly or not.
Then also first all males will come, next all.
Yeah, females will come as a group. Yeah. Row by row sorting. Even if I use row ID or row number, in that case also no use because it is value based. Subquery will also won't help. Even the nested query and correlated subquery also won't help. That might be the small function, but it is not striking in my mind.
Okay, yeah, got it. Do you want me to ask a different question?
Yeah, you can. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So there is a table, okay? T1, we can give it as T1, and you have in 4 columns. First is user ID. Next is PAN card. Next is voter ID. Next is DL.
Okay.
Yeah, 4 columns, right? Record is like user ID is 100.
Can I note it down? Looks like the table.
Yeah, please. Please, yeah. That is better.
Yeah. Can you come again?
So the thing, there's a table.
Okay.
Which is having 4 columns.
Okay.
User ID.
Okay.
PAN card.
PAN card.
Yeah.
Okay.
Voter ID.
Okay.
And DL.
And?
DL, the driving license. Yeah.
Driving license. Okay.
Yeah. DL. Yeah.
Okay.
This is my hypothesis, some table. It's having 1 record.
Okay.
Yeah. User ID is 100.
Okay.
PAN card is ABC value.
Okay.
Under voter ID value is PQR.
Okay.
Under DL value is XYZ.
Okay.
This is my 1 record in my table. Yeah. So my output, I'll give you my output. Then I'll ask the question. Output is like 3 columns.
Okay.
Yeah. User ID.
Okay.
Document type.
Driving license. Okay.
Document type. Output column alias name. Document type is my alias name.
Okay.
Yeah. Document ID.
Document type, document ID. Okay.
Yeah, these are my 3 columns in the output.
Okay.
User ID, document type, document ID.
Okay.
Yeah. Values are there are 3 records in this table now.
3
in the output.
Okay.
In the output.
3 rows. Okay.
3 rows. Sorry. Yeah, 3 records. Yeah.
Okay.
3 rows. Yeah. Under user ID, 100, 3 records.
Okay.
Yeah. Under document type, it is PAN card, voter ID, DL.
PAN card, voter ID, driving license. Okay.
Yeah. Under document ID, it is ABC, PQR, XYZ.
ABC, PQR, XYZ. Okay.
As a record ABC, it is 100 PAN card ABC, 100 voter ID PQR, 100 DL, XYZ. This is my record. 3 records. When you see the source, right, this is source columns are user ID, PAN card, voter ID, DL, and 100 ABC, PQR, XYZ. What query would I write on the source so that my output will be like this? Got the question, right?
Yes.
Yeah. What query can change my source record into these 3 records?
So column names should come as row values.
Yeah, exactly. That's the observation.
Okay. Sorry, I'm not sure about this.
Okay. Perfect. So to a normal theoretical question, right? You have a table, okay, employee table.
Okay.
It is having employee column, employee name.
Okay.
Which is having which you created index on this.
Okay.
Now I am using this in the where condition.
Okay.
I am writing the condition like whatever is the select where upper of ename equal to single quote some name I am giving.
Okay.
So optimizer will use the index or will it ignore the index? Since I have created a normal index on this, I am using upper on this.
Okay.
So how would the optimizer use the index in this case? Normal index I created on this employee name.
Okay.
But I am using a upper function on top of this employee name in my where condition. So my question is, will the index use the index which is already there, or will it ignore the index?
You are using the upper function in select query, right?
Correct. I am using the upper function in the select query while giving this in column name.
Okay.
Equal to single quote Rahul I am giving.
Okay. What type of index it is?
This is normal B3 index.
Okay. Upper function. I think it just ignores that because you are using the upper function in select statement, right? So optimization index. So in where class you are using the indexed column, is it?
Correct. In where class I am using the indexed column.
And what about the column which is there in upper function?
That is the column. You created a normal index on top of the employee name. So you are normal query will write it where ename equal to single quote some name, right? But instead of that, I am writing upper of ename. If you write normal ename equal to something, obviously optimizer will use that because there is an index. Correct. But if my requirement was that to convert everything into upper and then C. So in that case, my question is, will the same performance be achieved or is there any degradation in performance, or whether the optimizer will not even consider that index? It will go for full table scan.
That will not go for full table scan because the column which you are performing, that will just use that one alone. So full table scan will not be performed, but only that column level scan will be performed only on that particular column.
Yes.
And lower to upper, so that index actually ignores the values which are already in uppercase, and whichever in camel case or lower case, that only considers those values and convert them into upper. So the index will help us to ignore those columns instead of scanning each and every row.
Coming to one more scenario, what is the use of hint in Oracle?
What is it? Hint?
Hint, yeah.
I did not use it, but I heard about it before. Never used it in my project.
You're not, okay, that's perfect. Okay. Coming to a scenario, right? There's one more scenario last. If there is a employee promotion table.
Okay.
Yeah, which is having 3 columns: employee ID, designation, and promotion.
Okay.
Yeah. Again, there are a lot of records in this table. But I'll just keep 3 records, 2 records I'll just show you. What are those records? You can just write it down. So that it will be easy for you.
Okay.
My ID, designation, and promotion date is my column name.
Okay.
Yeah. Under employee ID, it is 10. Second record is also 10. So these records are for employee ID 10.
Okay.
Yeah. First record designation is SE, software engineer.
Okay.
Second record value is SSC, senior software engineer.
Okay.
Yeah. First record is software engineer. Second record again designation is senior software engineer. Promotion date, first record is 1st of September 2018.
Okay.
1st of September 2018. And second record promotion date is 1st of July 2019.
Okay.
Yeah. So records are like 10 SE 1st of September 2018. Second record is 10 senior software engineer 1st of July 2019. Yeah.
Okay.
These are my 2 records, and assume there are a lot of other records.
Okay.
The user gave a requirement that he wants to see all the employees in this table. There are a lot of employees, lot of time frames. One employee might have got promoted between 2006 and 2007.
Yes.
Yeah. So employee wants to see any employee who got promoted twice within a single year. So in this record, if you see, he is promoted within a single year, right?
Yes.
So his second record has not crossed September 2019. So if it has crossed, he would have gone into the other time frame, but below it is July only. So he is promoted within 9 months or something.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's within 1 year time frame, he got promoted. So user wants these kind of records, employees. In the order, like, it should output should be employee ID.
Okay.
10. So in this case, it is 10. Previous designation, what was it? It was senior software engineer, and current designation, what it is? The previous designation was software engineer, current designation is senior software engineer. So this record, what I gave you, will convert into 10 SE senior SSE. This is my output.
Okay.
What is it?
So your output should be 10 senior software engineers.
After 10 software engineer, senior software engineer. What was the previous? What is the current? So what was he before and what was he after promotion? In this case, if a 10 record is he was a software engineer, right?
Yeah.
Next he become a senior software engineer within 1 year. So now his record will come as 10 is the employee ID. Previous designation was software engineer and the current designation is senior software engineer.
Okay. And
yeah?
Promotion date based on which criteria you are taking within a year, is it?
Within a year. If, for example, if I do another record, right, employee ID 20,
okay.
He was a manager in 1st of June 2006.
Okay.
Yeah, and again 20 became senior manager in 1st of March 2007. So that is within 1 year. So if you take June to June is 1 year, right? But the next year March itself he got promoted to senior manager.
So June to June you are considering as 1 year?
No, I'm telling time frame. If you see this time frame, right? So manager was promoted in June 1st of June 2006.
Okay. 2018 September here the employee ID 10.
Employee.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Within
the
1 year time
between promotion should be less than 1 year.
Okay.
Yeah.
For this guy, September to September is 1 year, but he got a promotion in July itself. That means
exactly. Yeah. So in this case, the 20 employees that were right, he was promoted in July, but again promoted in March itself next year.
Okay.
So again 1 year, right? So these kind of records employee wants to see. Okay, who all got promoted within 1 year time frame? And that record he wants it like this: 20 manager, senior manager. He wants it like that.
Okay.
So which means we know that manager at some point of time has got promoted within 2 times within a year.
Yes.
Yeah. So, what approach can you take to get this kind of output? Question is clear, right? Requirement is clear, right?
Yes, requirement is clear.
Yes. Could you try?
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
This is gonna be a big query. So I think we should use CT in order to get the list of years. But software engineer, data designation. An employee where group of promotion, having promotion. I think I would need a database to write and check whether the proper output is coming or not. Yeah, yes.
No, I was saying I was talking on mute. Do you have any way to approach that it can be achieved in some way, or is it?
I can actually use the aliases to get the first designation and next designation. Like A dot designation, B dot designation, and then from table. And I can use the group by to group the things using the employee ID, and I can check the promotion date based upon using having filter condition. So in having class I can actually give the date duration to just filter the records, and I can write down the another subquery to get the another set of records which I need for after promotion designation. So based on this I can write in this way, but if I have something to check.
No, that is perfect. Yeah. Have you worked on SQL loader?
SQL loader, actually when I started my career in my first project, it was there. I think it was only 6 months duration of the project. So we used it. I used it almost 4 years back. In benefit project.
In the project, okay. So coming to a question in PLSQL, right?
You're doing a bulk insert, okay?
Okay.
And you have to insert like 10 lakh records into a table.
10 lakh records into a table, okay.
I am putting a limit of 1 lakh.
Okay.
Yeah. If I get any error in between this 1 lakh records, right? What will happen to that transaction?
Bulk insert, right? That will continue to insert the remaining records. It just ignores the records which is getting failed.
Okay.
But in normal insert, yes, please continue.
I was asking, is that normal characteristic of a bulk insert, or you have to specifically tell it to continue?
In bulk insert, I think there is a way to mention. If you mention, then only it will continue. It's not a default characteristic.
So you could normally it will change the transaction, right?
Yes. But there is a way. To continue, just to proceed even if something fails in between those number of records.
Like what they use?
Bulk insert, I think, I don't remember it exactly, but I am sure that there is a way to do it. Yes.
In the exception clause, right? I am getting no data found exception in my block. Yeah.
Okay.
So I have to handle it. My exception clause. I'm writing when others do something and when no data found do something.
Okay.
It will be caught. First time putting when others, next time putting no data found.
first time others means it takes everything other than that. When you give no data found, it actually comes from cursor. When there is no data available in the cursor, that time only this exception get raised in Oracle.
Yes. Where is the caught my question? So in exception I have to handle that error, right?
Yes, yes.
I'm writing like when first time my statement is when others in the inverse exception block. Some steps. Okay? Some steps. Next time writing when no data found. Some steps. So in my block, no data found exception occurs.
Okay.
So the navigation moves to exception block.
Yes, yes.
So here, will it go to, because there is a no data found exception, will it directly go to no data found and that statement will get printed or executed, or will it, because others is there in the first, that will get printed?
That will go to the first one because first you have mentioned like others, right? After that only you have given the no data found one, right? Yes. It will go to others first.
Yeah. Okay. You have a Unix, you're comfortable answering Unix?
Yeah, basic Unix shell scripting command. Yes, yes.
Yeah, basic, just with basic. You have an employee.csv file, okay?
Okay.
In that CSV file, you have 500 records.
Okay.
Employee record. Each record is an employee.
Okay.
Each line is an employee, so in that case.
Okay.
This is a comma delimited by the name you know, right? CSV file.
Yes.
The first requirement is I have to select, because there are 500 records, the requirement is to select lines starting from 400. That means the employee starting from the line 400 till 450. I have to create a new file out of these records. So it's 50 records, right? Line starting from 400 to 450.
Yes.
These 50 records I want to put it into a new file.
Oh, based upon the line number.
Yeah, based upon line number, yes. Based upon the lines, yeah. You have to pick the lines, employee starting from the line 400.
Okay.
And till 450, you have to pick all those 50 records.
Okay.
And create a new file out of it. So this new file will have 50 employees. Employees starting from the line 400 till 450.
So how would you do that?
Filtering and creation of file, new file is okay, but filtering based upon the line number, right?
Correct.
Okay, and each and every line is starting with the same value.
No, it is an employee record. It is an employee record.
Okay.
These are employee records, I told, right? But your constraint is only it has to loop to, or any way you have to go, select lines from 400 till 450 and give those 50 records out to me.
Okay, to filter those 50 records based upon the file number.
Do you know what a head command does?
Head command?
Yes.
Head command, I never used it before.
Okay.
Yeah.
The head command, you can give heads of some number and see the first 10 numbers, first 10 lines, 50 lines, 200 lines like that.
Okay.
If you know that could have
helped me now.
Multiple ways of doing this is one of the simple way of to do.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. And just to understand, in the same file, right? I have to fix the first column and fifth column.
Okay.
And create a new file. That means things like these are employee records, right? First column is employee name. And fifth column is employee phone number. So user asked me, from this file, fix the first column and fifth column. Okay. And create a new file for me. So this new file is like 500 records only will be there like the original file.
Yeah.
But in this case only 2 columns will be there. Employee, phone number.
Okay, I think I can use the cat command.
The cat is just to display, right?
Okay, just to display. I actually always use WinSAP tool for doing all these related things. Yeah, we use WinSAP and MPutty.
Okay.
So that's the reason the commands I'm not very familiar with. I use the commands, but the very basic commands like, CD, listing, by giving the file name, star, grep, copy, make directory, move files. So from one directory to another directory and view and then edit, and then colon WQ just to save and exit. So some small things I do, but not at that level which you are asking. That file number Sandal I never tried before. Yeah, because we are using the tools, so if something is there, I always use the Win SAP tool.
For moving that is perfectly fine. Okay. I think I am done. Rahul, you have any questions?
No, I don't have any questions.
Okay, perfect then. I hope to talk to you soon.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks so much.
Bye.